Pogos develop the plyometric fast stretch shortening cycle in the calf and Achilles tendon, promoting reactive elastic speed. Start by standing with your feet at hip width and your hands resting on your hips. Bracing with a tight core as if you're going to take a punch in the stomach. Remain upright as you simultaneously flex your hips, knees and ankles to preload your first jump from the balls of your feet. Jump into the air, simultaneously extending your hips and knees, being careful not to hyperextend them if you're hypermobile. Try to minimize pointing your toes as you leave the ground. Instead, try pulling the top of your foot towards your shin, pre-stretching your calf and Achilles tendon as much as possible. Elastically rebound from the floor, predominantly from a long and stiff calf and Achilles tendon, with minimal movement at the ankle or pointing of the foot. The objective isn't to jump as high as possible, it's to rebound from the floor with a stiff-legged action as if the floor is a trampoline. Strike the floor with a sharp tapping action, as if the floor is red hot, and feel your body weight load from the hips directly to the balls of your feet through stiff knees and ankles. The less jumping action you feel, and the more bouncing action from your calves you feel instead, the better. Common mistakes are jumping from the hips and knees, with prolonged contact with the floor instead of a sharp tapping action. Pointing the toes and calf raising, shortening the calf as you jump instead of pulling the top of the foot towards your shin and keeping the calves as long as possible. Also, beware of losing your core bracing too. That'll kill your bounce. To make the exercise easier, make smaller rebound movements with a faster frequency. To make it more challenging, bounce higher with more hang time. But be sure to maintain a short, sharp, slapping ground contact time.